Hello, in this video, we'll explore how to use the brand kit features on the Trupeer platform. Once on the homepage, look for the brand kit option in the left side menu. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the brand kit. Here you will find several options available. Let's explore them one by one. We're now on the video templates page. By clicking on the Create a Template option, you'll initiate a new template. You can make several modifications here, such as selecting the template you've created. You'll have options like adding a voice or music. In the visual sections, you can include introductory and closing slide. You also have the option to add an avatar. Customize various options according to your needs. Next, we'll delve into the Voices feature. By clicking on Voices, you can create a custom voice. Select Create a Custom Voice, and a pop-up will appear. Enter a name for your voice or add a recorded voice, or you can record directly. Once done, click on Add Voice to save it in the Custom Voices library. To connect external voices using API keys, click on Connect your API key. Provide your API key and select Connect. The API key will automatically connect with the voices. In the Avatar section, you can create a custom avatar by uploading an image in the Custom Avatar section. This will generate a custom avatar based on your preferences. You can also connect external avatars via an API key. If you've already generated a custom avatar on another platform, paste the API key and click Connect Key. It will automatically generate the custom avatar for your library. To upload a background, click on the Backgrounds option. You can upload custom backgrounds as per your needs. To add music, click on the Music option. Here you can add new music from your library, name your music file, and drag and drop supported file formats like MP3. Now, let's look at the Glossary option. Click on Glossary to enter specific words or sentences for AI content generation. This ensures correct usage and spelling in AI-generated content. For pronunciation, click on the Pronunciation tab. Add a new pronunciation as needed by selecting Add Pronunciation. Start by entering a word like Google or Trupeer, or record the word in audio format. You can input text in IPA format or upload an audio file from your library for custom pronunciation. Documentation can also be added. By clicking on Documentation, you create custom documentation. Select Create Documentation to begin. I will now show you how to modify existing documentation. Click on Existing Documentation to update the document name, change the font style, or add a color theme. You can modify the color theme, add font color, upload a logo if needed, and adjust the logo position as per your requirements. Once all changes are complete, click on Update Format. These are the features you can utilize with the Trupeer brand kit. Thank you.